Hi Marimar! Hi guys! Malapit na bumuka yung aking arwaka flowers. Bakit ba kailangan mayroon siyang red ins? Na almost open already. At yung aking chili, marami siyang bunga. My chili, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, I see. This one also have 8 leaves. 2, 4, 6, 7. 7. Hi everyone! Mangunguha tayo ng this chili. Ito yung chili na very padas, very spicy. Hi guys, thank you for watching. My chili already ripe. Hi everyone, my arwaka plants look very nice, beautiful. Marami akong pinitas. This is my own plants. My red chili guys. Red chili. Marami siyang bunga. Alright, thank you for watching. Oh, mayroon pa doon. Still red color. Na ito, marami pala siya. Tsaka dito banda. This side. This side, wala red chili. Okay guys, thank you for watching.